Here I have my homework, section 1 B and D, section 2 the second task. In the first task I need to determine whether each of the following relations is a function with domain 1, 2, 3 and 4. For any relation that is not a function, I need to explain why it isn't it. In the first task I have paired elements 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 2. And I need to say if it is a function or not. In B, the given pairs, these pairs, here is no output for x when x equals to 3. Here we have x equals to 1, x equals to 2, and x equals to 4. But here I have also 3 element and element 3. But here in the given pairs I do not have any pair with the number 3, with x equals of 3. So it is not a function. But it could be a function if there was, for example, pair with, for example, 3, 4. If we will add that pair into our another pairs, for example here, we could say that this is a function and that pairs do not violate any rule of discrete mathematics. So the first one is not a function. The second one. In the second one we have pairs 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Here the same input for x equals to 1 mapped to multiple outputs such as 1, 2, 3 and 4. But in a function we know that each x needs to can have only one output y, so it also not a function. It could be a function if we had not 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. For example, if we had pairs 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 4, and 4, 3. In such case, we could say that this is a function. But here, we cannot state that it is a function because we can see that here each of x's is equals to 1. So output y has multiple output x has a multiple y values, so it violates the rule of function topic. So it is also not a function. According to second task, exercise 2, we need to define the inverse function of the function f of x equals to minus x power of 2, where x is in domain 0 from 0 to infinity. And we need to find a formula for f of power of minus 1 of x. So how we can solve it? We know that we have a f of x that equals to minus x power of 2. And we need to find the formula for f of 1 of x. In such case, we can just swap x and y to express the equation. Here is the y. We know that f of x means that y. So y and f of x is equivalent. So here I just swapping them. Oh, but now I have just y minus x power of 2, and then now I am swapping them. Like minus x power of 2 is equals to y. So further we solving for x. It's just logically x power of 2 equals to minus y, and then x equals the root of minus y. So since the original function only takes non-negative x, we take only the positive root. So the function f of x maps values to the range minus infinity to 0. So the inverse function is valid only for x when it less than 0 or equal to 0. So our final answer is f of minus 1 of x equals to root of minus x, and here x belongs to minus infinity to 0. Here is the straight brackets, because we know that here 0 is also included in in our range. So here is the final answer. We found that the x in f power of minus 1 of x, it equals to the root of minus x, where x belongs to minus infinity to 0. So here is my full homework, and that's it.